The Complete Beginner's Workout Program. 3-month workout plans predominant in the fitness industry. Even in our magazine, you've seen enough of them throughout the years. Are they successful? Absolutely. However, we're going to let you in on a little-known fact that may interest you. Starting out at the gym doesn't have to take 8 or 12 weeks. Not that you'll be an experienced vet in 4 weeks, but if you can simply get through that first month, you'll get over the hump where so many people fail and give up and lay the groundwork for a lifetime of muscle growth. This is the Accelerated Beginner's Guide to Bodybuilding, shall we say. Your first month of training under this plan will be hard, but not to the point of injury or, worse still, burnout. It will also be progressive in that each week you'll advance to new exercises, higher volumes, higher intensities, or any combination of the three. You'll not only be prepared for the following challenge after 4 weeks, but you'll also have developed a sizable quantity of top-notch muscle. In other words, you'll appear substantially better without a shirt on than you do now in a month. How about those as outcomes? Beginner's workout by weeks. Week 1, full body split. Week 2, 2-day split, upper body, lower body. Week 3, 3-day split, push, pull, legs. Week 4, 4-day split, full body. Hole in one for week 1. Starting off with a full body training split, as opposed to splitting up your training, you'll train all major body parts in each workout. This first week, only one exercise per body part should be done throughout each of the 3 training days. It's crucial to provide your body a day of rest in between each workout to allow it to recuperate, so it's a good idea to train on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday with rest days on Saturday and Sunday. Week 2, split choice. With a 2-day training split, meaning the complete body is exercised over the course of 2 days, rather than one as in the first week, you will already be 1 week into the program when you start working out different body parts on different days. This week, you'll exercise 4 days in total, twice on each body part. The split is 2 upper body days, Monday and Thursday, and 2 lower body days, Tuesday and Friday. Your rest days are Wednesday, Saturday, and Sunday. Triple on 3 in week 3. The program is advanced to a 3-day training split during the 3rd week. On day 1, work all of your pushing body parts, chest, shoulders, and triceps. On day 2, focus on your pulling body parts, back, biceps, and abs. And on day 3, train your lower body, quads, glutes, hamstrings, and calves. You work out in the gym 6 days this week, twice a week, just like in week 2. Week 4, amplification and volume. With the exception of the calves and abs, which are exercised twice each, you will train 4 days in a 4-way split during the program's final and 4th week. Experienced lifters often use 4-day splits because they train fewer body parts, usually 2 to 3, every workout, giving each muscle group enough attention and enabling you to train with more volume. You'll observe that the pairs of chest and triceps, back and biceps, quads and hamstrings, are all typical pairings for both beginner and experienced bodybuilders. Please like and subscribe to our channel for life-changing content and hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.